So continuing on our quest for our mobile responsiveness, we're going to work on this. And if we come here, look at top courses in business. That's what we have here, top courses in business. We will see that we're forcefully specifying the height of this card deck. We don't need to forcefully specify it. The height will choose itself. So if we remove that, this styling that we added initially, and we come back and refresh, right click. Remember that if you click outside, it won't refresh. Look at, nothing will happen. If you right click outside, nothing will happen. So if you want to refresh, you must click inside and refresh. You see, it works. So this is the picture, and these are details. This is the picture, these are details, and so on and so forth. All right. So we have to do the same for this one, top courses in development. So we are going to search for it, Ctrl F, development, top courses in development. We'll remove this, and it works. It works. Perfect. So if somebody is holding a phone, this is how it will look like. They will be able to just scroll through, see the courses, see the prices, and click on it. So that's what it looks like. And we might need to work on this guy, news and noteworthy, top courses in business. Why is it the same? Why are they the same? Like this one has top courses in business. I think we have to go and peep at Udemy. Let us even check the mobile responsiveness of Udemy. We'll check it. But I think the last one is okay, still business. So if we inspect elements, we have to dock it. This is a different browser, so don't mind. I'm just going to copy this to Chrome because this browser is weird. I'm using a very weird browser. It's a cryptocurrency browser. It's called Brave. Brave browser. Brave cryptocurrency browser. All right. Oops. So let's check the mobile responsiveness. Inspect elements. So let me refresh it, reload it again from here. So this is what Udemy looks like on mobile phone. It's opening. So this is what it looks like on mobile phone. They redesigned it, sort of redesigned it for mobile phone, but the bottom line is that it's responsive. It changes when it detects that it's working with a mobile phone. It changes, right? So even though it's not perfect as I expected Udemy to be, so if I change this to makes sense now. So it changes and adjusts itself because it is mobile phone, right? So in our own case, we're not redesigning it for mobile. We're just making sure that once it is on a mobile phone, it adjusts. Like in our own case, we make sure that it adjusts. Okay, so we have to make sure that for these pictures, each of them should be full width on mobile phones. So if we're looking for the picture, what's the title on the picture? Expand your programming. So if we do Ctrl F, go to expand your programming. All right, here we're seeing that the columns are just call. We have to ensure that it is from big screens, that it should occupy how many of this width? 1 2 3, that is 4 4 4, which will give it 12. On big screens it should occupy 4 4 4 4. If we refresh, you see on a big screen it's now occupying 4. So these ones, it needs to stretch out. On big screens they need to occupy this is 3 3 3, which will give it 12. So on a big screen these ones need to be 3 3 3 3. I have to copy it. I need to copy 3 3 3 3, and we're good, and we refresh. That's it, guys. That's it on mobile responsiveness. I think not sure, but I think every other thing works well now. On mobile phone, it's now well organized. So generally, I've seen some e-commerce websites release their data, and their data shows that 90% of mobile visitors, in fact 90% of their visitors come from mobile phones. So you should really pay attention to mobile responsiveness while you're developing. Make sure that you're taking note of mobile responsiveness. Otherwise, you could get into the problem of building a very nice site, but it looks very ugly on mobile phones. So you can tinker around with reducing the size for mobile phones, the size of the screen and all, and the size of the pictures and all, but generally this sorts it out for mobile phones. Thank you very much.